Hello, welcome to our next installment of the Sproutable Parent Q&A. Thanks to our latest viewer who sent in a question, and she has a waddler who is always throwing a temper tantrum as soon as they come into the kitchen. And so she's just really struggling. She said, I can't even take, by the time it takes to get a yogurt out of the fridge or cut up an apple, it seems to be full on meltdown mode. So what I suggest is some ideas preventatively and then also in the moment. Prevention-wise, it's great to set up a station. So our little ones really want us to be close to them all the time, or at least have that comfort of us being near them. So for my first, I set up a blanket in the kitchen away from the stove with her favorite toy of that time, or some blocks, or a couple of books that she would like to look through, and her stuffies, and just set up a little play station right there. You can also pull out the Tupperware drawer or throw down a pot and pan with some wooden spoons. So even if they're not, it doesn't feel like they're old enough to really be included in the prep, at least they can be physically near you. By the time my second rolled around, I did not have a comfortable blanket on the floor. I just tossed a few toys out and let her play. So I think there's some piece too, maybe if she was feeling this resistant, like that she's got to be involved in this meal prep and really she wants to just keep playing or doing her own thing and still feeling like she's more independent. But in that moment, if your kiddo is having that full-on tantrum in the kitchen and you're just trying to get the meal prepped, then you definitely want to attend, give comfort. At this age, the waddler usually has that big tantrum because they need something or want something or they're feeling really uncomfortable. It's not quite in that toddler preschool just tantrums out of nowhere seemingly. So really trying to attend to, is she hungry? Is there a way to get her into the high chair, into the seat and set up with a few nibbles just immediately? Or is there something else going on? Is there something that's triggering her about that room? And maybe having that PlayStation will change that association. So feel free to take that moment and just to attend and give comfort. I know there's that nagging feeling in the back, like I've got to get that meal prepped. So sometimes I would make sure they were safe, give a little bit of comfort, say, I'm sorry that you're feeling so sad right now, and then just really be transparent. I'm just going to go turn the water on and I'll be right back. Maybe you're setting them in a crib or a pack and play so they're safe. And then go over, turn the water on, right? Get the water boiling so you don't feel like you're wasting time or losing time. Go back, attend to them, give them some more comfort, let them know it's okay to have their feelings, and it's time to get dinner ready. So just even that attunement and trying to figure out what's going on for them is going to give them comfort. And in the meantime, trying to just redirect and distract as well. Good luck. I hope that helps. I know meal times and meal prep is always a battle, and just that never-ending quest for the balance of being able to just get it all done. So I feel you, I'm with you. Thanks so much for writing in, and I hope to hear more questions. We hope to hear all of your questions here on our Sproutable Parent Q&A. Bye.
Real moments are learning moments.